mighty, incredible. For those of you who are new, 2-3 little things for me. Show your girl some love by liking, sharing, subscribing to this video, and make sure you press that notification bell so you are notified every time I upload a video. Alright, and for my oldies, y'all know I love y'all and I appreciate y'all, and I'ma do a little ooh, hey, dance for y'all. So this video today, I will tell you how I maintain my nice, smooth, skin complexion, as you can see. And I don't use any commercial products. I use DIY products. So definitely stay tuned for this video so you can know exactly what I do to maintain my skin health. Here we go. We're gonna jump right in. Okay, y'all. So step 1 is to cleanse your face. So to clean my face, I'm going to use oatmeal. You see that? Okay, and normally the oats and the oatmeal is whole. So what I do is blend them up in the blender. So it looks like this. Can y'all see that? This is how it looks, a nice powdery consistent. All right. And the benefits of oatmeal is it removes dirt and oil from the skin, treats dry skin, and removes dead skin cells. It's a natural exfoliating cleanser. It has antioxidant properties and anti-inflammatory properties. So yeah, oatmeal is very excellent for your skin. And I normally cleanse my skin with this oatmeal twice a day, first thing in the morning and when I'm coming home from work, to get all of that outside, environmental, nasty air pollution weather that we have in New York City off my face. And it's very, 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 essential for my skin. So I'm gonna show you how I, apply this to my skin. So I'm gonna take, this much, little handful, add some water. Let me see. Make sure you add warm water, y'all. Add some warm water to like a little milky consistency. I probably need some more oats. Let me pour some more. So now I'm gonna need some more water. Can y'all see this? So it's like a little pasty right here. Now I'm gonna apply it to my face. I apply it to my lips as well. Gotta coat them lips. Oh, my face feels so good right now, y'all. Alright, so I'm gonna keep this in until it fully dries. Take about 5 minutes, and then after that I will show you my next step. So 5 minutes later, see how dry it is? That means it's time to take it off. So here we go. We're gonna take this off right now. That was quick. Whew. So the next step is to tone the face. All right. So what I use to tone the face is no other than Vera's apple cider vinegar. Yes, I love this stuff for my face. So I use 1 part water to 1 part apple cider vinegar. See, that's the mother down there from the rags. I shake that water up. Use my handy dandy cotton pad, spray this, and apply to the face. And so, just to tone the face. And apple cider vinegar has some great benefits: antibacterial, antifungal, antiviral properties. It treats acne, pimples, acne scars. It's good for your face overall. And it's so moisturizing. I love it. All right, step 2 complete. Okay, so this is the next step. For those of you who may not know what this is, it's an aloe vera plant, okay? And this is very essential to my face. I use this to moisturize it, okay? So after I open it, blend everything up, strain it, I'm left with this aloe vera juice right here. Okay, so what I'm gonna do with this is spray it on my handy dandy cotton pad and apply it to my face. Alright. Okay. So that's that step. Also, sometimes I may not have the juice, made already. So what I would do is cut a part of the plant and add it directly to my face. Either one works well for me, okay? And aloe vera, it has antioxidants. It treats acne, it's moisturizing and soothing, it has vitamin A and C in it, so it's also very beneficial for the face. And the final step is, you gotta add some moisturization to your face as well, especially when you're going outside. So I use whipped African shea butter as my moisturizer, and this is very beneficial to your skin. It's nourishing, moisturizing, antibacterial, anti-inflammatory properties, treat dry skin. And I also, I can't even talk, y'all. I also suffer from eczema, all right? So also it's a natural sunscreen. It treats dark spots, skin discolorations, blemishes, wrinkles. It has vitamins E and D in it. All you need is a little bit of this. Add it to the face. Just add it to the face, y'all. And I like to do it in circular motions. And that's everything. And y'all, I also have mentioned in regards to the aloe vera juice that I make it and extract everything from the plant. And I will have a video up, letting y'all see and know exactly the steps I take to extract that. Alright, so look out for that video. But yeah, this is my everyday daily skin routine. It works for me. I've been doing this for maybe about 3-4 months, and it works for me again. Also, if you have your own DIY skin routine, let me know in the comment section below. Listen, I can't even talk. I'm so excited letting y'all know about this skin routine. My words is getting all tied up together. But yeah, let me know in the comment section below what skin routine you have. And also, let me know if you like this video, alright? And as always, like, comment, share, subscribe. Show me some love. And boo, bye. See you later.